Flowers freshly blooming, or the smell of your perfume in the air. I'm so confused. Is it the sun that's shining down on my skin? Or is this warmth coming from somewhere within? From cool summer nights? Or is it just a look in your eye? Soft silhouette with the cold touch of skin. Is this true love or just the mood that we're in? This place is lovely, I know, but is that all that I love? The atmospheres influence me. Sunsets with the skyline, falling leaves from a tree. Morning coffee, how you like? Dinner and wine, Saturday nights with you. Confused, I'm confused. Am I really in love with you? Is it the songs that you play that making me feel this way? Oh, oh, say oh,